Hello everyone, welcome back to our craft and art video page. Today we'll be showing you some easy ways to stitch or to cover your torn clothes. So take a wool or woolen cloth like this. Now take the thread and fix the cutting part like this in a very innovative way. So fix the thread from both the sides. So now fix them on the ends of the cut like this using the needle and the woolen needle like this. Now fix them from the sides in the way we use the chain stitch to make it. In the same manner we will stitch this woolen cloth. So first fix the needle like this and pull it out using the needle. Now in the same manner we will draw all the lines till it cover it from the sides. Fix them and watch the technique very carefully how we are fixing it, and see very carefully how we are putting out the needles and how we are carrying the thread using it. So watch it till the end and follow along the steps. Fix it like this till the end, and at the end pull out the threads like this and fix it properly. And look, it's almost ready. It's looking how much beautiful it is. Fix it till the end and you will get an innovative and better designing sweater. Next, if you want to stitch two clothes together, take the thread and fix the needle in the same manner as we are putting it. Watch the technique very carefully. Fix it from the one and put it on the other side like this. Pull it out like this and put it in the between of the threads and pull it out like this, and you will get this design over it. So fix it in the very careful manner and watch it and it's ready. Next, if you want to stitch two clothes together, put it together and then take the needle and press it, and here we will be making the chain stitch like this. Pull it and it's done. Look how beautiful and neat it's looking. Next, take a sweater and then if you want to tie it on the top, take the thread and roll it like this. Watch the technique very carefully how we are putting the threads and pulling it out. Make the designs as we are making in the same manner and it's ready. Next, take the thread and fix it as shown in the video to cover the torn part of your cloth. Fix it one by one in the same manner as we are fixing it. Here we are making sort of chain stitch in the same manner. Fix it like this. Put it one by one. Fix it in the between of the wools. And here we have to cover it totally. Fix them by zigzagging it like this. Fix it from the one side and put it on the other side. Put it one by one like this. Take two needles together and fix it like this. Fix it one by one and your sweater or the torn part will be almost ready. Look, it's done. I hope you liked it. In the same manner you can prepare more clothes. You can cover the torn part of your woolen dresses and it will be done. Thanks for watching our video.